Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with CassieJBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can check us out if you'd like. Today, you guys, we're going to work on our 100 envelope challenge binder. And I was a little nervous about this, not because I don't want to stuff it. Of course I want to stuff Big Mama. I want her to get all the love she possibly can receive. This is for my Christmas savings. So the further ahead I get during the beginning of the year, the less I have to stress later on. Now, my issue is, while I have access to money, the money is being put towards my kiddos and I moving. So I really am trying to avoid playing around in that money as much as I possibly can. I know that I did want some money to spend and then also to save. So I'm just being very mindful. So we're going to go ahead and stuff this cash. And I had $5 more, but we went to the corner store and we got a 2-liter of soda. It was $4 and some change, just in case you're wondering how much soda is at a corner store. Almost $5, guys. But yeah, my kids said, can we have soda? And I said, well, if we get a 2-liter, because then it'll last a couple days, but also they have to share it. So yeah, I did have 100, but here we are. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. All right, we have $95 today. I wanted more ones, just because that way I'll have a little bit more flexibility in terms of which envelopes I can choose. I wanted to try to get some of the larger amounts saved. I'm gonna go through here and see which ones we can stuff today. So like, for instance, this one is $11. The way I've set up my binder is I'm doing the sum method with the total amount. So there are different amounts in each heart. You're more than welcome to save it that way. You'll save over $6,000. But for me, with my budget, I figured mine's a little bit over $600 and it'll be perfect for Christmas. Okay, I think we're gonna go ahead and do this one, $11. So with the lack of ones, I'm not certain how much I'm actually going to be able to take care of. All right, so we're stuffing $11 here. And this is envelope number 15. I put my tracker in the back. Yay! Okay, got one of those big ones done. Usually when I stuff this binder, I do the smaller amounts each week. So I'm glad to sit down and get some of these done. So this one's $19. So what I've done with the sum method is add 1 plus 9, making it 10. We're gonna go ahead and put $10 there. That's wonderful. And it's early in the morning when I'm stuffing these, but very excited nonetheless. Need to get this done, because if I let this money sit around long enough, I will spend it. So I decided get to it. All right, we're adding $10 to number 98. Ooh, okay. Maybe I should, I'm just gonna jot down on the side how much, okay, the first one was $11, the next one was $10, because I've been kind of just keeping an eye on how much I'm putting in here. I won't tell you specifically, so then that way you can be surprised when I do my count at the end. But I kind of want to gauge where I am. All right, So we have another 11. We have a 13. Should we do that 13? I think we should do 13 because we're using up our ones. 10, 11, 12, 13. That means we can do one more 11. Okay, 13. Okay, 13, that's a big one. That's a really big one for me. Number 94. Okay, and we have a dollar. We can do that. Number 11. Let me see where there's some pages that don't have a whole lot of activity. This one doesn't have a lot of activity. All right, there's an 11 there. 5, 10, 11. All right, so it looks like we're going to need to find some that are $5 or $10 or like $9 and just round up. Just round it up, or $4 and just round it up, which is fine with me. But we're going to go ahead and put $11 in number 69. This is such a good feeling, and I'm so glad that I'm sitting down to do this right now. All right. I'm going to color in 69. All right. And then, let's see here. I'm going to look through. Oh, well, we have 10 right here. Let's just do this 10. Number 71. Oh my goodness. Oh, so many are getting colored in today. Let's see here. 1 second, guys. All right, I found another 10. Number 30. This is making me so happy. And let's see here. Number 40 is $10. This is really nice. I was just thinking, if I can pick up an extra shift, even just once a month, I could do this, a nice chunk of money to my savings and get this done quicker. Because I do want to work on some of our other savings challenges in our shop. I don't know how quickly I can finish this, but that would be nice, wouldn't it, to be able to work on some of the other savings challenges that we have. I love this one. This one, I know it's going to take me a while, but it's also rewarding to see the progress taking place one envelope at a time. Okay, we have another $10 here. And this one is number 52. Oh, let's turn that around. This 5 is ripped. Let's put the other one in front. Try this again. All right, number 30. Oh, no, 52. I don't have my glasses on, so some of the numbers look like the other numbers. Okay. Can we stuff 2 more, or are we going to find another 10? I think we should look for another 10, only because if there's a week where I need the $5 one, if there is a $5 one somewhere in here, I want to make sure I can use that one. All right, let's take a peek. 5. One, 5. Yay! We have one more $10 being stuffed today. All right, and this one is number 42. Awesome. That is fantastic. Look how much progress. Already, so much progress. Oh my goodness, so amazing. This savings challenge you can find in SilynthiaC Budget Creations. I will link our shop down below. We're restocking and trying to get the old items out that we're not wanting to continue on making, and then bring in the new ones. We have a couple of new ideas. Also, if you're interested in some freebies, you can check out my Ko-Fi, which I will have linked. I have a couple of different options there. And I want to try to make sure I'm posting them on my community tab, because I want you guys to have access to those freebies. But that's it for now, guys. We've gone ahead and stuffed $95 in our 100 envelope savings challenge binder. Such great progress. It's getting thick. It's getting so thick already. And I know because of the simple fact that I'm using smaller bills, it's going to look thicker. But not just look thicker, it's going to be thicker because of the smaller bills that I'm using. But I'm very excited. I want it to bulge. I want it to almost not even be able to close. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.